podcast of Tournament King. This is a project I worked on with a group for my final project at Dev Mountain, my coding bootcamp. So starting off here, we have the landing page with the Tournament King logo and a list of all the tournaments that have been created so far. So we have a few different ones here. We've got some basketball tournaments. We've got a ping pong. So let me just go ahead and show you the process of creating a new tournament. Players. Let's give this one a name. You can change the type here to ping pong. Give it a short description. And let's go ahead and change it to 8 players. Now we can assign players here just based off of their name, or we can enter players into the tournament that are users on the site. So for now, let's just go ahead and enter some names. So put 8 players in here. Okay, so now we have our 8 players who are going to participate in the ping pong tournament here. So let's go ahead and finalize the creation and generate the tournament bracket. Okay, so now you see here we have a tournament tree rendered with all of the players and the ping pong logo here. And let me just show you the coolest part about the site. In my opinion, this was a feature designed by someone else in my group. His name was Clayton. He's a really talented front-end developer, and he made this match modal here. So you can see we pop up, we have all the controls here, and we're ready to go ahead and start the match. So let's start the match, and it sets the score for Mike and John. We can change the score. And there is another view we can look at. If we open up a new window for the administrator, for the person who created the tournament, and there's another view just for the user. So if we go here, we can see the match. We'll pull them up side by side. And now the regular user view does not have the administrator controls. They are not able to set the winner. All they were able to do is view the updates, and we do see the updates in real time. This was implemented with WebSockets. It was my first venture into this new technology, and I did learn a lot. Now when we set the winner here, the match is complete. We can close out of the match view, and we see Mike has been advanced to the next round in the tournament. The winner was randomly decided, but if we go here, we can change the score. We'll say Liz won by 1 point. Now we set the winner. Now Liz is declared the winner of this match, and Liz proceeds to round 2 of the tournament. So this is the core functionality of the application right now. There is also a user profile page. This was the main page that I worked on the front end. Most of my work on this site was actually doing the back end and getting all the data for the 2 guys in my group who worked on the front end. But I did do this profile page, which displays just some basic stats about the user on the site. We have, this would be my profile here. We have 14 matches completed, 6 matches won, 1 tournament, and we have a ranking system that assigns points based on matches completed, the matches you won, tournaments you won. You get more points for the tournaments. And right here we have the recent matches. So you can pull this up. And we can see here all the recent matches that I've played in. It shows the type of match I played in and the result. It'll be red or green based on if I won the match or not. This was pretty easy to implement after structuring my data correctly in the back end and just generating the endpoints to get this data. And now right now there's just two other users on the site, but I'll show you the two other guys who worked on the site with me. We've got Clayton here. He did an excellent job doing the match modal and the bracket generator. And we've also got Christopher. And he was the main guy on the tournament tree view and really just crushed it on the front end. So I really have a lot to thank for these two guys for helping me out with this group project, and we're looking forward to implement new features in the future, such as a double elimination tournament, round robin. There are a lot of other features I'd like to add to this tournament site to make it more usable and hopefully get a good following here. So thanks for watching my screencast. Have a great day.